How to track Temu package without logging in. Hey everybody, if you'd like to track a Temu package without logging in, you may follow up these steps. So what you can do is you can head over to the website instead of the application. So go to your website and look out for track Temu package, something like that, and head over to temu.com. And once you are there, you will be finding different options. So tap on accept all first of all. And you may just go over and look out for your order section there. Once you are there, you can find the tracking number in your order confirmation email or by checking order details in the Temu website, which should be available like this, the confirmation number. So you may just go and look out for the option called track. And once you do so, you will be accessing the order details, including what it is, the status, how what is happening with it, your if your order is shipped, if it is awaiting shipment, if your order is being packed, and if your order is being paid successfully or if your order has been submitted. So it will basically show you the details of your order like this, and that is it. Once you've received your order, you can just go ahead and look out for leave a review to share your thoughts with your other customers, and that's it. That is how you basically track your Temu package without even logging in. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.